Peace and blessings, everyone. I just want to apologize for not posting uh, videos lately. We almost lost my dad to COVID back in February, and my mom's dementia had progressed rapidly. And due to a nasty fall on their front porch, we lost my mom on May 23rd. And just trying to heal. And so, in my mom's memory, because she loved my cooking so much, I'm going to try to bring it back. All right, let's get started. The Ninja Foodie preheated, adding some frozen fries. Now let's massage our washed and drained kale. Lightly oil. Massage in the oil. Drop whatever seasonings you choose or not. Now, I just seasoned up these black beans with a little taco seasoning. Add that Southwestern style corn. Now my fries are done, so now I'm gonna add that Daya mozzarella. And then I'm gonna add more cheese. You know how I do, I love cheese. Mix that up. Close that lid and let it bake. So now I'm going to take this plant-based chili. I really want this one like that. Now here I had some leftover just eggs that I made this morning, and yeah, I put cheese in them. I love cheese. So I'm just gonna add that on. Overload. And here goes the chili. And we got your And now I'm adding some of my homemade cheese sauce. And now I'm just sprinkling some chopped up cilantro. And lastly, a little nooch on top. So my overloaded cheesy fries are done. Look at that, all that deliciousness. I should have made me one. Yeah, I should have made me one, but it'll take me a week to eat this. I didn't have any bell peppers, so I didn't bother to put the onions on. But it's delicious. I know it is. I just know it is. I can't wait to see what the reviews is on this. Bam.